If you're a Tata car owner, you may find that over time, the battery in your remote key can start to run low. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the battery in your Tata car remote key. It's a simple process that can save you time and money. Let's get started. First, you'll need to identify the type of battery your remote key uses. Most Tata remote keys use a standard CR2032 battery, which you can find at most hardware stores or online retailers. Once you have your new battery, locate the small notch on the edge of the remote key. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to gently pry open the key. Be careful not to damage the key or the battery compartment when you open it up. Next, remove the old battery from the compartment, and insert the new battery. Be sure to align the positive and negative terminals correctly. Once the new battery is in place, gently press the two halves of the remote key back together until you hear a click. And that's it. Your Tata car remote key should now be fully functional with its new battery. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video was helpful. For more tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel.